Hi guys and girls, I've done some work and I forgot to film. Sorry. I'm going to take you under the van. There's some good news, there's some bad news. Bit of progress either way. Okay, this is probably not too far off from what it looked like last time you saw it. And ta-da! Jacking point removed. So that's the good news. The bad news is I've gone into the flooring a little bit, so I'm going to have to weld that up. Whoever put that jacking point on, I don't know if it's standard procedure, but there was the welds at the end of the jacking point that was connected to the cargo floor, but there was also these, they're kind of like spot welds I suppose, through the jacking point. This is the thing that really messed me up, because I thought it was just the ones that at the end that I was dealing with, but there was ones actually through the, where's the piece? Actually through there. So in good news, I've bought some spot weld removal drill bits, and that's what I did that with, so that was really good. And now I'm going to move on to, I'm going to use those drill bits now, see if I can get the rest of these outrigger bits off the main beam here and off this top hat section, I think it's called. In slightly worse news, I hadn't anticipated this, because the outside here, the outside of this, I think this is a B post, so that looks okay from the outside, but then you get inside, that's the inside of the B post. Doesn't look very nice. Oh, so I'll have to clean that up and see how much of that needs repairing / replacing. I've got my new tools to drill out spot welds, so I'm going to try them first on probably this most difficult piece of metal here, because I can't really see where the spot welds are on this. I can see one there. That first one should hopefully be easy. Maybe one there. It's really difficult to see on this piece. Let's give it a go, see what happens. There's two drill bits that came with this. Now for this jacking point, I just use the drill bit that sort of cuts a little hole. It's like a little circular saw thing. And I didn't use this one. Well, I tried using this at the end, but it was too late then. So I've been left with these lumps of metal, if you can see those. So I'm going to try using the normal looking drill bit first, and then use the hole cutting one after, see what happens. Grim. Okay. Oh, I'm wrapping myself up. Oh, get off. Oh. Oh, right. I can't see where that one is. Right there. Okay, so this is the little tool I got. It's like a needle point in the middle, so it stays centralised on the hole that I drilled, and then it's got the serrated edge and a little circle. And in theory, cuts nicely around any spot welds that there are. Now, I've already made a mistake here, because I've gone through to the other side, which I didn't particularly want to do, but it's only one. Never used this before, so it's not bad. There we go. Good luck. Ah, I love how you know when you've got through. There's like a, a reassuring puff of rust to let you know that you've got through to the other side. Okay, let's get some pliers or something. I'll be very impressed if this comes off. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Feels like I missed it there. Is there another one there? Yeah. Wind off. Oh, I am reasonably pleased with that. I made a few little mistakes and gone far too far through, but it's borderline whether this is going to stay anyway. And hey, I need to improve my welding skills, so if I need to do a few little patches here and there, I haven't got a problem doing that. So yeah, I'm going to call it a night. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.